Have you noticed a decrease in employee engagement? Are your employees less flexible and resistant to change? This may be related to how your employees see your brand. The importance of the digital workplace is rising. Over 50% of hybrid workers plan to go remote next year. We should not focus on how much time employees spend in the digital workplace. The key is to improve the digital workplace experience, making the time employees spend within it worthwhile. How does your organization cope with that? Are you struggling with digital workplace adoption? Would you like to bring your SharePoint Online and Viva experience to the next level? Engagy360 allows you to apply a beautiful, eye-catching visual layer to your SharePoint portal, making it compliant with your brand policy. With Engagy360, you will not only enrich your portal visually. Thanks to the seasonal and event-driven themes, you will make your digital workplace more immersive and attractive, building a sense of team identity at the same time. An attractive company webpage improves how your clients see your brand, while the intranet promotes your brand among the employees. And since your employees are your #1 asset, why not treat them like your clients? With Engagy360, you can do exactly that. Engagy360. Manage energy instead of time.